Our customer is the U.S. Army. TACOM out of PM Scott was Warren, Michigan. The requirement they had is for a family of boats and motors called FOBAM. Historically, the Army has used inflatable boats, and they've evolved over the years, through different progressions for different applications. TACOM had the responsibility for small boats for river crossings, diving operations, and special operations. They would have 7-man and 15-man inflatable boats. They also wanted to incorporate an engine component to the system, and with the recent development of a multi-fuel 30 horsepower engine, they wanted to get back into that realm so they can use the engines in areas where gasoline is not allowed because of the hazardous nature. So a new engine had been developed, and they want to incorporate that solution into a centralized management with the boats and the motors. The program really integrated some areas outside of just simple acquisition of equipment and providing it to the government. The Army was looking for a one-stop solution that would encompass the entire package of the logistics support to go along with those engines and the boats themselves. So we were looking at how we were going to partner and integrate our capabilities with manufacturers that could provide the technical expertise and in the performance that the Army was looking for, to try and down select on who we thought would be able to provide the most technically superior product, and incorporate it with our solution of integrating everything together. Recent acquisition strategies have incorporated Berry Amendment, Berry compliance to the requirements, and finding a boat that was actually made in America has been a challenge. Traditionally, the boats used by the military have been made overseas, and this is probably the first time an inflatable boat has been made in America using U.S. materials, U.S. personnel, designed and developed for the U.S. forces. We partner with two of the best manufacturers, Wing Inflatable and BRP Evinrude. We have personnel that are involved in different aspects of the supply chain management, from life preservers to small component parts that would be utilized into the boat, so we can incorporate our kitting capabilities. We're also providing a lot of technical and logistics support that traditionally hadn't been done at this type of contract level. We worked with our production control and kitting departments for how we would package everything together into a single solution to the Army, so they have a one-stop response for their complete package. And it's unique, and it's probably a way that the Army is going to be moving forward. They can simplify their costs, streamline their acquisition strategies, and get the product into the field faster. Because it is a family of boats and motors, you're providing a complete solution to the end users. And ADS is ultimately responsible. That complete package is ready to go and meets the warfighter's requirements and mission set. There's definitely a lot of pride in knowing that we're doing something that will be used all over the world by the entire range of the U.S. Army and any waterborne operation.